Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome to FitNCalm. This is Tejasvi. So it's our day 6 of our 7-day yoga series for flat belly. So wear something comfortable and hop onto your mat. So let's begin today's practice by standing. Come into the front of the mat and gently take your hands in front of the heart. Take a breath in and breathe out. Just observe the weight of your body, if it's equally distributed on both the legs. Become aware of your breath. Breathe in. And as you exhale, relax the whole body. Breathe in, fill your stomach with air, let the stomach expand. Breathe out, gently let it fall down. Prepare your body for today's practice. You may gently open the eyes, take your hands up, bend back. Breathing out, we'll slowly fold forward and down. Bend forward, shift your weight onto the toes. Now slowly walk your legs back and come into plank. Keep the stomach engaged. Breathing out, come into the downward dog. Walk your hands back. And breathe out, stay here. Breathe in and exhale. Once again, walk your hands forward. We are just warming up the back. Come into plank, keeping the stomach engaged. Stay here. And lift your hips up. Come back into Padahastasana. Look towards your knees. Now slowly as you breathe in, come up, take your hands up, bend back and come back to Namaste. Breathe in and breathe out. One more breath in and exhale. Now separate your feet. You can keep them comfortably apart. Take your hands up. You can interlace the hands. And now breathing out, we bend to the side from the right. We go down. And breathing in from the left, we come up. So we make a nice big circle with our hands. We bend down and come up. Again here, just observe what is happening in the stomach. See if you can synchronize the breath and the movement. It's just like a windmill. Breathe in and breathe out. So as we go on the sides, observe the sides of the abdomen and the stomach. They are nicely getting stretched. And last round. With a smile, come up and go down. Now opposite direction, breathe in and breathe out. Continue. Keep the legs firmly on the ground. If you want, you can slightly bend the knees in case you're facing any issue. You can also bend the knee, come down and again bend and come up. Last 2 rounds. Last round. And come back to the center. Relax. Take a breath in and breathe out. Bring your legs together. Bring the right leg up. Straighten and again bend. 2 and bend. Straighten, bend, straighten and hold, lift up with the same leg. 2 and 1. Relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Now bend the other leg from the knee. Straighten and bend. 2 and bend. 3, bend. 4, hold. Lift it up. Keep your stomach engaged. 2 and 1. Relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Now we'll widen the feet. Spread your legs comfortably apart, preferably 3 feet. Turn both your feet out, heels in, toes out. Bend your legs from the knees. Sit down. Make sure your tailbone is tucked in, stomach is tucked in. Stay here. Come down. Very good. Now interlace your hands behind your back. Exhaling, we bend to the side. See if you can touch the elbow to the knee. Come up and other side. Very good. 2 and up and other side. Continue feeling the stretch on the sides. Make sure you don't get up. We are holding it there and continue with a smile, feeling the stretch on the sides, feeling more grateful for the burn on the thighs as well as the sides of the stomach. 2, last 2 and 1. Come back to the center, straighten and relax. Slowly get your legs close. Take a breath in and breathe out through the mouth. Breathe in. Once again, breathe in. Relax. Now once again, spread your feet apart. Take your hands at shoulder level. Breathing out. Take your right hand to the left foot. Look up. Breathe in, center. Breathe out to the other side. Again, center and to the side. Center and to the other side. Again, center. Breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out, observing that twist on the stomach. Center to the side. Center. Few more times. Continue with full awareness on your breath. And last time. Stay here. Twist and look up. 3, 2 and 1. Come up other side. 3, 2 and 1. Slowly get your hands towards the floor. Bend down. Hold it there. See if you can widen the feet a little bit more. Come down as much as you can. Let your head fall towards the floor. See if you can place the crown of the head on the floor. Breathing in, come up. Slowly walk your feet a little closer if they have moved apart. Palms on your hip. Breathing in, come up and relax. Relax your palms. Slowly get your feet together. Take a breath in and breathe out. Breathe in and exhale. Now, slowly shift your weight onto the left leg, palms on your waist. With full control, lift the right leg up. You can bend forward, stomach engaged. Breathing in, slowly bring your leg forward. Bring your knee close to the chest. Breathing out, we bend forward, lift the right leg up. Keep focusing at a point. Breathe in, slowly come up. Bring the knee forward, close to the chest. Once again, continue the warrior 3 pose and then bring the knee close to the chest. Last time, lift the leg up behind and breathing in with full control. Bring your leg forward, hug your leg close to the chest and relax. Take a breath in and breathe out. Now with the other leg, slowly lift your left leg up, palms on your waist. Bend forward, lift the leg up. Breathing in, slowly come up. Bring your knee close to the chest. Once again, take the left leg back. Bend forward. You can micro bend the right knee and get it back close to the chest. Keeping the stomach muscles engaged. Take your leg back and forward. It's okay if you're shaking. Last time, take it back. Hold. This is also very good to improve your concentration. And come back. Hold it there. Relax. Take a breath in and breathe out. We'll sit on a comfortable chair. Take the hands forward, push the hips back and come down. Down, sit on the chair. You can move your hips. Sit comfortably on your favorite sofa. Behind, stay there. Down. Make sure your tailbone is tucked in, stomach is tucked in. Down, down and sit down. You can come down to Malasana. Keep the heels in, toes out. With the help of the biceps, you can push your knees out. Join the palms in front of the heart. Breathe in and breathe out. In and out. Slowly sit down. Palms on your thighs facing the sky. With another beautiful smile, inhale. Exhale. Rub your palms. Place them on your eyes. And slowly looking at the palms, you may open your eyes. I hope you've enjoyed this practice. If so, hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe. And also you can practice this once again. It just takes few minutes. If you want to repeat the whole thing, you can repeat. It will be really good. So thank you so much for joining us. May you stay fit and calm.